advanced Sales Navigator tips. So this is what you guys have been waiting for. There's some very interesting tips, and to start with is a tip of including past companies. So if you already have clients that you've been working with, then something that is very powerful is to include that company. So if, for example, we are working with Apple, then we'll include Apple. However, instead of current, we'll go with past. So you'll just find people who used to work at Apple. So in that way, if, for example, we used to... Oh, that is interesting. There we go. Maybe there's some kids watching. So if you're currently working with Apple and you'll search for sales leaders that used to work at Apple and you reach out to them, you can either say, hey, you remember how you used to work with us? Now that you're working at Microsoft, maybe you want to work with us again. Then they'll know you, and those are going to be some very, very good leads for you to reach out to. Or they're going to know, okay, you know what, these guys I don't know them, but they're working with Apple. I used to work there. I know they don't just work with anyone, and that's still a really good into that new company, into that prospective client. So those are some of the best leads that you're going to find using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So if you already have some clients that you're working with, then you definitely want to be using that filter as well, or that option as well. Then the next advanced tip is Boolean Search. I really hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So basically what it is you can search for marketing manager or marketing advisor, for example. Or market. So you have the options of or, you have the option of and. So you want marketing managers and marketing advisors. And Sales Navigator will then find those people for you. The same goes here when it comes to matching. So you can say, I only want people that have marketing advisor in their title. So then Sales Navigator again will find those people. So as you can see, then it is keyword match, so we'll either find it in their company, in their title, but it's really powerful. In that way, you can really filter down a lot better into the people that you're looking for. Usually, it works a little bit better than searching by function. So if you have a really clear ideal customer profile that you're going after, and this is something that you definitely want to check out as well, to search for more leads using Sales Navigator. Then one other Sales Navigator tip that not a lot of people are familiar with, and which I think is really interesting, especially again if you have a bit of a smaller market that you're going after, is the view similar. So if I would go for a saved search here, it's gone. So basically what it does is you'll go for view similar. Then if you have your list of, if you have some people that are really ideal, then simply hit view similar and you'll find people that have the exact same title or same experience or same type of company that they're working at. So as you can see, there's 100 people similar to Scott Allen right here. And if you have a really specific ideal customer profile, then that is another really powerful tool that a lot of people are not using and that they're not utilizing. So if you just simply go here, you can go for view similar, and Sales Navigator will find people that are similar to those leads that are most interesting to you. It's definitely something that you want to check out.